Typically, I would see 60 referrals for children come through in a week. That's a pretty typical week. The last couple of weeks right before Thanksgiving and currently, I think we've probably seen close to 100.
Terry Lynn Durnall is a licensing coordinator for the National Youth Advocate Program, or NYAP, in Scottsburg, Indiana. She trains people to become foster parents.
The need for foster families is greater than I've ever seen it before.
There's an urgent need for foster families who will take in siblings. Durnall says there are more than 1,000 brothers and sisters who are separated in Indiana's foster care system right now.
We often find homes that would take one little baby or, two small children, but homes that are big enough to take a sibling set of 3, 4, 5, even 8, that's hard to come by.
Another big issue, finding foster homes for any older children, especially teenagers.
They're not in youth shelters because they have acted out or they've gotten in trouble. They're in youth shelters because we simply do not have enough homes for them. And they're there because of something that was done to them. They're not there because they're troubled kids or they have bad behaviors or they're aggressive. A lot of these kids are just there because there's literally nowhere else for them to go.
And that's exactly why 35-year-old Brianna Stone became a foster parent. She's a single woman, but knew she wanted to be a mom.
I have a house with some extra room, so I thought, I should fill it with some kids.
Stone has welcomed 5 children into her home in the last 2 years. Right now, she's fostering a 17-year-old new mother.
She moved in with me when she was 8 months pregnant and had her baby 4 weeks later. So now I have her and her baby.
It may seem like Stone is a unique foster parent, but she's not. Durnall says they need people of all backgrounds to become foster parents.
We have single moms, we have single dads, we have 2-parent households, we have stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads. We get all kinds of children, so we need all kinds of foster homes.
Ashley Morgan also works with foster families through NYAP. She says you do not have to be a perfect person or have a perfect past to welcome a foster child into your home.
If you have a criminal background, talk to us about it. Like I said, we're looking for resilient families, not perfect families. If you are interested in changing the life of a child, do it. This is your opportunity.
Jennifer Bayless, WLKY News.